Hello everybody and have a happy Halloween. I don't know, I just want to do something British. Either way, happy Halloween everybody. Today, you may be wondering, where's the stuff I'm supposed to be customizing with? That's a very interesting question. Now, here's the sad truth to that question. Answer, I guess. I wasn't able to do the pumpkin patch video that I was going to do, which you guys have no conclusion about because I didn't tell you guys, but now I'm telling you guys that I couldn't do the pumpkin patch video because there were people there with no mask, and that's just crazy. So I wasn't able to do that video, and that kind of messed up my whole entire video, and yeah, now I'm stuck with nothing but this. So I want to do a video anyway because I upload every single Saturday, as I promised you guys that I would, because I definitely do that. Yeah. So here's the costume I got. I got this from Spirit Halloween, and it's basically just a shirt. The pants I already had in my closet. I basically just paid for a shirt, the blindfold, some suspenders. So I know you guys know that show Stranger Things, right? Everybody knows that. So I decided to be 11 from season 3 of Stranger Things because I like her wardrobe, and I like how they dress in the 80s, so that's pretty cool. Even though the show's not really in the 80s, it's really in, I don't know. But yeah, here it is. That music, not music, but background noise you guys just heard is, I actually have my apartment window up, so that's what you guys just heard. But yeah, here's the little shirt real quick. I'll take this down and show you guys. Here it is. I decided to pair it with the belt because I couldn't figure out how to put the suspenders on because I am a clown. So here it is. So yeah. But yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to wish you guys a happy and safe Halloween. Or if you guys don't celebrate Halloween, well then have a happy and safe weekend. Just for the record, I'm not going to any parties or engaging in any type of Halloween activities at all today. I'm just going to go be getting some candy today from the stores. I'm going to go get some popcorn. I'm going to get a pizza, and I'm just going to go maybe just walk around, maybe a little bit outside, but I'm not engaging in any type of Halloween activities because that's not the smartest thing to do during a time like this. So just clearing that up for anybody who wants to know. So yeah, I just decided to get a costume because I like dressing up, and you can still dress up without engaging in any activities when you aren't supposed to be doing that in a time like this. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Please have a happy and safe Halloween again. This is I Customize, and I am out. Bye. 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 Maybe I should do a little tight. Wait a minute. I could have did a little video or something. Oh, snap. Wait. Guys. I actually was supposed to have went to the park the other day, and I was going to do a tut, not to put on this channel, but it was going to be cool. It was going to go something like this. That's not my tut, by the way, but that's what it was going to do. And it was going to be pretty cool, because I know how to tut. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know. Yeah. Which I don't know. I'm just trying to find ways to make this video longer. Maybe I'll go show you guys my cat. Wait, hold up. I will. Mercedes! I'll be back. Here she is. Oh, no. That looks bad. Wait. Mercedes. Wait, do I have the... Hi. Say hi, Mercedes. Say hi. Mercedes. Look at the camera.